Hey friends, welcome back. Today's J prompt covers junk mail, jewelry, journaling cards, and journal pages with a twist. I'm combining it with hashtag the envelope project 25, and I'll have additional information in the description box below. This one's dear to my heart, featuring wedding photos of my husband Tom and me, 31 years strong. If you're new here, I love all things grungy, vintage, soulful makes with meaning. Let's jump to it. Here I'm showing you some of the digitals and how I go about putting some of them together, how I tear them up with my ruler. And that envelope there, junk mail flyer, yep, that is my base. And I'm giving you a sense here of what I'm thinking about, what my layout will be, where do I want to kind of shred things and give it that disheveled look that I love. And that page there is missing a little piece, so I'm going to glue that there. And let's continue on. I'll show you a bit more. Now I'm figuring out the base of the envelope with some of the digitals from this challenge, and also giving you a sense of where do I want to put things, how do I want to make things work. And here's the freebie that I'll be sharing with everyone on my Ko-fi site. And next, we're going to, before we assemble this, I want to show you how I will be using an ISC Le Fleur postage stamp to adorn the edge a little bit of my envelope base. So after I add the clear embossing powder, I will also heat set that. And I love this effect. Moving along, we're going to make a couple of embellishments, and I'm showing you how I made a journaling card from one of the digitals. And now we're going to use a making memory ribbon that I've had for many, many years, and I'm going to show you how I like to make my dangles. So I just cut a little piece of the ribbon that says cherished, and I will add an eyelet with a safety pin, and it's a great tip to keep in mind. And after the first mistry, I attempt to add the jump ring, the eyelet again, and it worked. Now I'm adding the safety pin to add to the journaling card. I'm also going to show you a little bit of a stenciling that I do with some textured paste. And here I'm just adding a little bit more adornment, and you'll see a few next steps. Now, I've always shared on my channel that you want to test your textured paste of choice on a scrap of paper before you put it on your actual surface. Now you'll want to choose the actual canvas or piece of paper or surface that you're going to use and apply your texture paste or homemade paste of choice. And of course, once you apply this and you're happy with the thickness, you'll need your heat tool to dry things as well. I'm super happy with how the stenciling turned out, and now I'm just showing you my layout and how I will glue the tissue paper and the front pocket, and of course we'll let that dry a little bit so I can proceed to the flip motion of the second envelope that I want to add to this project. Before I add the second envelope, I'm showing you that I did a little bit of stamping and some faux tape and how I will be attaching this to that back envelope base. Here I've added two small brads that will hold this postcard in place. I will also add some washi on the flap so that way the back and forth will give it some strength and security. I love adding stamps to the edges, to the corners, and here I'm showing you how I'm putting together another digital, and some of the embellishments on the digital from the envelope project. And it is so cool to be able to add a little bit of stamping to the edges and whatnot. And then I'm making that pocket there, and I'm adding another wedding picture as well. Now we're going to add a whale tail tab with eyelets, and the tab will go on the back of the envelope flip. And here I'm showing you my thinking, and this beautiful dangle is everything. It features a wedding photo sealed with glossy accents, some embellishments, and it will tuck nicely underneath that envelope flip, and it's just precious, absolutely precious. And here you can see how nicely everything will fall into place. This page, pure love, from junk mail to keepsake. So if you feel inspired, comment below, and don't forget the freebie on Ko-fi. Tag me with your makes. Stay creative, stay soulful, and keep junking with heart.